Hey, what's up guys, this is Vikas once again back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a 4-option infographics in just PowerPoint. You can see here I have created 2 slides of the same infographics with the different color combinations. Actually the color combination is same, but the slighter difference between these 2 slides are this: the background is the solid background over the first slide, and there is a gradient background on the second slide. A part of this, you can see here the icons of the second slide will be fade, like the color of the icons will be lighter gray, but at the first slide you can see this is the dark gray icons on the present over the slide. So this is how the infographics look like, and it's looking so pretty, attractive and eye-catching, guys. You can see here I have created these 4 shapes over here. Let me show you how I have created. Ungroup it, right click over here, ungroup it, all these elements. This is the other element. You can see at the background this is the other element, and this is the third element. After combining all these 3 elements, I have created this type of infographics which is looking so attractive. So without wasting any further time, guys, let's get started and let's see how we can create it in PowerPoint. So click on insert option. Over here you will find at the left side you will find new slide option. Click on that and choose a blank. So a lot of people had asked me which type of slide size you are using in the presentations or the infographics. So let me explain you guys. Click on design option over here. You will find slide size option. So just click on that and choose custom slide size option. As you click on custom slide size option, it will pop up a window over here on the screen and show you all the information about the slide size. Like you can see here which type of width I'm using, height is here, and if you don't have any idea, then you can drop down over here. These are the list of the slides which is predefined in PowerPoint, and you just have to click on that and use it in your infographic. So I'm using wide screen so that we can see the presentations very clearly on the big screen. So you have to select the wide screen, and that is what the that is all about the slide size. Okay, so now I'm going to click on insert option over here, and you will find the shape option. Click on that and choose a rounded rectangle option. Just drag a rounded rectangle like this. Remove the outlines by clicking on shape outline, and inside shape outline you can see the no outline option. Just click on that to remove the outlines. Now let me take the reference of the previous slides. Now what we are going to do, we will slightly increase the width and length like this. Okay, now right click over here. Let me confirm one more time. Okay, it's fine. You will find a yellow dot over here. Just slide it to the left to make the corner more sharper. Okay, now right click over here. You will find the edit point option. Click on that. After doing this, what you have to do, you will find 8 black dots over the shape, 2 at the left top. So we are going to do changes with these 2 dots. So I'm going to place it at the bottom like this, and these dots again I'm going to drag it over here. Now click on this dot. You will find 2 white handles. So adjust it like this, and click on here and adjust it like this, so that you can get a straight line outlines over here. If you move it up, down and a little bit lower, then you will find a curve outline there, but we don't want a curve outline, we want a straight line. So I'm going to put it along with the lines. Okay, now again right click over here, choose edit point option, and after, let me take the reference of the previous slide. Okay guys. Okay, so now right click over here, click on edit point option and drag this point at the left, and this point also at the left. Now you'll find the white handle. drag it over here, click on this. This is a straight outline already there. So now what I'm going to do, I will now right click over here, edit point option, and here you have to put it over here like this. Drag it over here. We want shorter tail over here. Now I think our shape is ready, guys. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I will duplicate the shape. Here you can see the edges, so we have to make it smoother. So I will take one more try to make it smoother like this. No, okay, it's fine. So press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy. Keep it separately, guys. Click on Insert option, click on Shape and choose an oval shape option. Press Ctrl Shift together and drag a circle. Make it no outline. Let me change the shape to this much. And right click over here and click on Format Shape option. Here you will find Fill option. Click on that and increase the transparency. Put it over here like this. And click on the blue shape, press Ctrl and click on the circle, and you will see the merge shape option. Click on that and say subtract. Okay, or you can say the fragment. So we don't want this part, so I'm going to delete it. And now what I'm going to do, I will copy the color sample from the previous slide and paste it over here so that I can use it on this slide. So for this shape, I'm going to choose a gradient fill option. Click on gradient. For the left handle, what I'm going to use, I will use this color, and for the right handle, I'm going to use this color. But we have to make the type linear, and the angle should be something this one. Okay, as you can see here, oh sorry, the angle should be 90 degrees or this much. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I will fill the background. So for the background, right click over here, format background, and for background I'm going to fill it with a solid color. So I'm going to fill it with this color. Okay, and now what I'm going to do, just keep this shape over here, press Ctrl and Shift together and drag it outward to make it larger and fill it with a white color. So I'm going to choose a white color for this. Sorry, click on Format option and choose shape with white. Right click over here and send it to back. After send it to back, I'm going to adjust it at the back side of the blue shape. Okay guys, so this shape is perfect. We have to make some adjustment here like this. Now I'm going to fill this shape. So let me take the reference of the previous slide. So to fill this shape, what I'm going to do, I will again choose this shape, what lighter version of this shape. So I'm going to click on more color option, and after this I'm going to slightly drag this arrow upward to make the shape lighter like this. Now it's fine. Now what I'm going to do guys, I will create a shadow effect over the slide, and after this I will create a shadow effect over the pointed part of this shape. Okay, so to do that, what I'm going to do, I will click on insert option, choose shape option, oval option, and drag it like this. At random, I'm choosing the random oval shape, make it no outline. Click on effect option and say soft edges. Inside soft edges you will see 25 points. You have to select the size, and for the shape fill, what I'm going to do, I will use this and put it over here like this. I'm slightly going to decrease it like this. Okay, and put it over here. Okay guys, now after doing this, what I'm going to do, I will copy all these text. Before doing this, what I'm going to do, I will provide a shadow effect. So I'm going to choose the back side white shape and click on the shadow option over here. I will choose a preset over here. So for the preset, I'm using the offset center, so I'm going to use this one, and the blurriness should be about 20, and the size should be less like this, and the transparency should be 70. That's enough guys. Now I'm going to copy all this text from the previous slides. So I'm going to copy this as well as this, and this arrow also. Press Ctrl C and paste it over here. Now I will arrange it something like this and select all these shapes and press Ctrl Z to make a single group. Just zoom out from here and press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy and put it over here. Before doing this, what I'm going to do, one more thing, I'm just missing this A text. So I'm going to copy the text from the previous slide by pressing Ctrl C and put it over here by pressing Ctrl V on keyboard. Now I'm going to select all these shapes and press Ctrl G to make a single group. Press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy, put it over here. Again press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy and put it over here. Press Ctrl D and make a duplicate copy and put it over here. Make sure your alignment should be perfect. Each shape should be aligned with the previous shape. Okay. So now I'm going to select all these shapes except the color sample. Press Ctrl G to make a single group. Arrange. Click on arrange and say align center. Again click on arrange and say align middle. Okay. So now we have to change the color. So I'm doing the color and fast and forwarding the video so that we can save the time guys. guys done. Now it's time to change the text. I'm going to type it B. This is the step C, and this is the step D. Okay. So now let me explain the type of the text I'm using in this slide. So to do that, what I'm going to do, as you can see, for the detailed text, what I'm using Calibri body and the size is 10. For the option here, you can see for the options text, I'm using this particular text and the size is this. For the heading text A, B, C, I'm using Rajdhani and the size is 36. So now finally you have to make this option 2, this is option 3, and this is option 4. So hope you like this tutorial. I have just copied these same elements 4 times so that we don't have any different icons over here, but the slide has already the different icons with the different shades over here, guys. So hope you like the videos and enjoy the videos too. So if you have any query, guys, then don't forget to write me on my WhatsApp number, on mail me all WhatsApp number. I will definitely try to answer as soon as possible, guys. So that's all for today, guys. See you in the next tutorial. One more thing I just want to discuss. I will provide the download link of this. One more thing I just want to discuss, guys. I will provide the free download link of all these 3 slides in the description section. So then don't forget to check out there and just go there, download the slides and using your project as per your need, guys. So if it will help you, then please don't forget to share these videos and tell the people to subscribe our channel, because we are providing all the materials free of cost as well as training also. So that's all for today, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye and thank you very much for watching.